Union Home Minister Amit Shah has emphasized that the government is working on removing the trust deficit between the Meitei and Kuki communities to restore peace in Manipur. According to PTI's interview, Amit Shah stated, addressing the clashes between the Meitei and Kuki communities, which erupted on May 3rd last year, is an utmost priority. He clarified that this issue is not riots or terrorism, characterizing it as ethnic violence that cannot be resolved through force alone. He further stressed that the clashes escalated due to a lack of discussions and lack of trust between the two communities, acknowledging the delay in addressing the crisis, attributing it in part to the focus on Lok Sabha elections. However, he assured that the government will expedite efforts to resolve the ongoing issue in Manipur once the election counting concludes. He expressed concern over leaders of both the communities prioritizing about their community interests of respective or their own political issues. He stated that after the counting, the government will work on it with utmost priority, assuring that there will be no violence in future. Notably, the over 200 people have been killed and over 60,000 were displaced seeking refuge in various areas.